Hey guys, hey, listen, got an answer to Joe Friday's question. He's asking on the ES, he's looking at some short-term momentum on the 60-minute chart, asking if we see it, and yes, we do. I do anyway, because I look at momentum and agree that you've got it on the 60-minute, but I caution you though, Joe, that the ISM report is going to be coming out, so we really want to wait and see a reversal on that downward path that we have as of September 4th, 60.8 of 18. So then we started ticking down, 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 and we're currently at 51.2, and they're forecasting 51.1. So it's bottoming out, but we've been going down on this very strong consumer sentiment. And despite that, we've been trending down. And so we need to see a reversal of that, going back to 52 at least, getting back through the ones entirely and getting into 52, 53, coming back towards that 60 again for that second leg up on momentum. So it's all going to hinge on this ISM manufacturing report. Let's look at the chart that what you were looking at. And here's my linear regression. And so you can see that when price is outside the 4-1, it has that range expansion opportunity, and we're not there. We're moving down in a downtrend on that 60-minute, but let me show you the daily and show you what you're seeing. You're seeing this great momentum on the daily reversal, this divergence. And let me just point out a couple of things. On the linear regression trend lines, this is a volatility indicator. The main trend line is in the middle, and price oscillates up and down above and below that. A measured distance above and below that you can control. So I set this for a number at 7 offset. But this shows that price, when you get a reversal on that level, it typically leads to that either the going back to the main trend line like it did here, and then the trend continuation, or an opposite trade for that reversal trade. And this is what we all want, is getting in when the price changes direction and just continues moving up. What we did here though is we are curling back down, and we're in a downtrend. So let me point the path out for you, Joe, and show you. It's really cool. So here's your main trend line. We're coming down. You see these last touches right there and right there? That's this first level above the main trend line, and it's now curving down. So our path is down, and we're moving against that path, trying to curl up on momentum, but we're not quite there yet. So it's going to be a bumpy ride if you take a long. You first want to clear this lower level, that lower pivot right here. Here's your channel line, the bottom, providing your support. And here's your upper channel line sort of going flat. So right now, I would say that you're going to have some headwind or resistance. And so the better location to try to enter would be at the mid-band right there, or at the bottom of the channel. But either way, you're trying to get to this level here, which is right now resting at 29.50. So the best thing to do again is to wait for a breakout of this area here to go long, or down there to go short. Otherwise, you're just short-term trading to a target, and we're not in a place where we can take that runner breakout yet. So irrespective of the consumer confidence, ISM has been falling, and that has everything to do with China, right? China, China, China. So we need to get a resolution to that trade agreement and get the central banks to restructure their debt, which would allow the EU and the UK and Japan and China and the US to participate in Santa Claus rallies. All right. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you in 2 weeks. I'm on vacation until the 14th. Later.